In the beginning, God created heavens and the earth. Genesis 1, verse 1. Trust in the Lord with all thy heart and lean not to one's own understanding. Proverbs 3, verse 5. In all your ways, acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3, verse 6. Do not conform any longer to the patterns of the world, but be transformed by the renewing of the mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God will is good, pleasing, and perfect will. Romans 12, verse 2. Thanks for watching. Remember, hit the like and subscribe, and follow me on YouTube and TikTok for daily Bible verses.